So this is sausage.
This is my hair.
Oh, your hair looks very nice. This is sausage.
Yeah.
Pizza sauce.
Sauce.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Pepperoni.
Puppy.
Crust.
Sauce.
Because we're going to have pizza.
Yay!
All right. While we're cooking the meat,
Yeah.
we can get the pizza crust ready. There we go. So now, take your spatula and you spread it. Is it all red yet?
Yeah.
Okay, give it covered up. Let me have just a little bit. We'll do another crust. Got another crust for you while the sausage cooks. Okay, I'll pour that on there. That is so good. Look at that. That is excellent. Now our sausage is done.
Yay!
We have to drain the sausage and get all of the grease off of it. So I'm going to take it over here to the sink and I'll be right back, okay? So here's our sausage.
Oh, this is very hot. Add mangoes to pizza.
Okay, then we got to put that meat on the other pizza we
trade.
still have to have.
Trade.
Okay, let's trade. Let's trade. Hang on.
Yay! Go to the fridge. Okay.
Go ahead. Now you put all that on there, right there, okay? Just a little bit more left. Okay, now we're going to put pepperonis on here.
Behind the bone.
What about right there? Right there? Okay. I'm going to switch the other one.
I'm done.
There you go.
Oh no!
What's your favorite part of the pizza?
Pizza.
You like cheese?
Cheese.
Now we have to put cheese on the pizza.
Okay. Yeah.
All right. Good job, Ellie.
Oh no!
Okay, then we're going to move the cheese.
Oh. I'm done. Got my son.
There you go. All right, we have to put them in the oven. They all ready?
Yeah.
Make sure it looks good to you.
So good. So good. Here comes.
All right, Ellie, look at our pizza. It's all done.
This is mine.
Thank you, Ellie. It looks really good. You made a wonderful pizza today. That's really good.
Oh, good.
All right. Good job.